Whenever you are thrown in an impromptu situation, it could be an interview, a review meeting, perhaps, any of those situations, well, there are a lot of strategies, there are a lot of ways you can think about, but what it really boils down to is how you think about responding to those situations. So one of the very simple ways of going about doing that is to think what you can say about it. Whatever is the topic or the question asked of you, ask yourself, what is that you can talk about? Just identify the what of it, then identify the how of it, identify the why, whom, where. So ask yourself these questions, right? And some of these questions may have answers, some of these questions may not have answers. So therefore, at least you put yourself in a position to find these smaller one-word answers, and then you develop on those. So in these impromptu situations, if you ask yourself these multiple questions about that topic, about that situation, you would be able to get through that with this one suggestion. But for now, this is what I would suggest, that try asking yourself questions about it. What do you know? If you don't know anything, then probably the best thing, because you have to say anything, hopefully say anything that you know already about. Speaking something that you know about is way better than not speaking anything at all or speaking nonsense.